Here we are again, Ron Cup Brothers Construction, starting a new driveway up on this wonderful, beautiful hill for Patrick and Allison. They're going to do a new concrete, round, stamped, colored driveway that does a circle around their driveway. And look at this view. You can't even buy these nowadays. And here comes my buddy, my foreman supervisor, up here to make sure we're doing everything okay. We're also redoing this decomposed granite walkway that actually is sunken and collects water. And again, we're going to put in a stamped ashlar slate pattern that goes all the way over to their back main patio. And darn, look at what they have to look at every day. Isn't that awesome? How was that for a magnificent tree? Awesome. What you say, Maddie? Huh? Everything going okay? We doing a good job?